is up, guys? It is Kalia Vids here, and today I'm going to be opening a package. I ordered it like a week ago, and it is a butterfly knife. And yeah, so I have two other knives right now. It's one is a switchblade, and then one is just an ordinary spring blade. But today I think I'm gonna be opening this package with a spring blade because I like it. But yeah, let's get right into it. Comes in a nice box like this. And it has a holster, so that's pretty nice. I didn't know it came with that. And then this butterfly knife. It has a black and blue handles, and I think that's pretty sick. Yeah. And then a safety switch, and then you open it, and that's the blade. It's 8.85 inches, and if you don't really know anything about butterfly knives, this is the side that is not facing the blade side is the safe handle, and then the side that is facing the blade side is a bite handle. And they call it the bite handle because if you grab it and you go up or whatever, that blade is going to cut you. But yeah, this I think is really nice. I love the colors, as you can see. But yeah, and that's it for this video. But make sure to go check this website out. It's called bladeplay.com, and they have a wide variety of knives and stuff, and you should definitely go check them out. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.